Okay, here we go, everybody. We're out here at the farm. Got a lot of progress done. We got the end wall plastic up, and then we're working on the upper end of the end wall plastic, getting everything screwed in at the top. Everything's screwed in behind the beam, and then we need to add the end wall roll up. That's the last thing for the end walls, where this bar is. This is where everything is going to go. And as you can see, we've made a lot of good progress with what we're doing with the plastic and everything. We need to trim up the corners because some of the plastic is a little bit too large, so we're going to trim that down, make it look as nice as possible. But yeah, you see how the plastic's hanging down right there at the top. We're just going to cut that and trim it, and then we'll have some extra plastic for some different stuff. So yeah, it's coming together. We have our end wall roll-up bar right there ready to go, and then we have our roll-up side bar all ready to go. We just need to add the plastic, put the springs in, and add the clips to the plastic and the pole, and then everything will come together. It's a nice, bright, sunny day. I'll tell you one thing, when you're working and it's sunny, definitely gets you a lot more tired. So, you know, again, if you're just watching, or if this is your first video, we're actually building on a hill. So there's like a slope over here, like a dip. So the terrain of this area isn't the same. So this side is a little bit harder than the other sides, but we're still going to be able to get it done, because even though that it's a little bit uneven, we just brought in some soil on this side, so it's a little bit easier to get done. But yeah, for the most part, this is just a quick walkthrough. Hopefully the next time we do a video, we'll have the end wall plastic up, as well as the side roll-ups. So thank you guys for joining, and if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave a message. But yeah, we help with repairs, maintenance, anything of that nature. And the last thing that we probably need to adjust on this side is just this pole. It's a little bit uneven, so before we put on the main plastic, we're going to get that going, and that's about it. So the other thing that we need to do that's not really a priority is move a lot of this soil to the other side, but that's not really important right now, because this extra soil on this side is actually helping when we go up top. So that's basically it, and like I said, we'll have some updates here shortly. Thanks for joining us.